How's it going, everybody? Let's get into this. So today we're going to look at how the orbits of the Earth and the Moon and the things in outer space, how they absolutely debunk and disprove the idea that the heliocentric model is a real thing, or that we live on a globe, or that we're spinning around the sun. Anything like that, okay? Let's get into this, okay? So the sun is moving around the galactic plane at 137 miles per second. The Earth is moving around the sun at 66,600 miles per hour. And the moon moving around the Earth at approximately 2,000 miles per hour, okay? Um, so here is the issue, okay? The sun, as it is moving this direction, 137 miles per second around the galactic plane, okay? The Earth is moving around the sun. So as the Earth goes the same direction the sun is going and comes out in front of it to make an orbit, it has to accelerate faster than the sun is traveling to do that. And then as it lets the sun pass by it, as it goes around it the other way, it has to slow down, slower than the sun is traveling. Same thing with the moon. The moon has to do the same thing when making its orbit around us. Is it reasonable to think that these celestial bodies are constantly accelerating and decelerating? Does gravity give an explanation for that? Well, no, it doesn't, because if you look at how gravity should work, it should have no problem just pulling the Earth behind the sun. That's how it should work. If the sun is moving 137 miles per second in this direction, the Earth should just be tagging along right behind it. No, it should not be able to make an orbit around it, accelerating faster than it, and then slowing down, and then accelerating again. No, that doesn't make sense, okay? Let's look at something else, okay? The supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way galaxy is 27,000 light years away. A light second is 186,000 miles. There are 31,536,000 seconds in a year. So you would multiply 31,536,000 by 186,000. Then you would take that number and you would multiply that by 27,000 to get the distance in miles to the supermassive black hole. Now, the supermassive black hole, that's an uncomprehendable distance on how far that is. We can't even comprehend how far that is, okay? But the supermassive black hole is absolutely massive, so massive that its gravitational pull is able to pull on the sun that distance away. And the sun is 1 million times bigger than the Earth. But what about when the Earth, during its orbit, comes between the supermassive black hole and the sun? The Earth is now 93 million miles closer to the supermassive black hole and 1 million times smaller than the sun. You mean to tell me the supermassive black hole can still pull the sun around the galactic plane, but it has absolutely no effect at all on the Earth when the Earth is 1 million times smaller than the sun? That doesn't make sense, okay? Are we really to think that the moon is what is responsible for our tides, but that the supermassive black hole has no effect on us at all, especially when we're closer to it than the sun is, but yet it can affect the sun? That doesn't make sense. I'm sorry. It just doesn't make sense, If you want to make sense of this for me, shoot it in the comments, okay? And if you like this video, you can like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.